Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI.
I wanted to share with you my favorite travel item, and these are the Trader Joe's instant coffee packets, and these are so good. I do travel a lot for work, so these are always in my bag. I am an avid coffee drinker, and I love that this coffee is not too strong and it's not too weak. It is the perfect strength. It does already have cream and sugar in it. All you need is a cup of hot water and you're good to go. So this coffee is creamy and it's not too sweet. It is the perfect balance. I normally drink my coffee with just cream, but because this is not too sweet, I don't mind drinking it at all.
This is something you may not have thought is a travel item, but it is definitely necessary because it should be against the law for flights to go out before airport coffee shops are open. But with these little coffee packets, you can still have your cup of joe on the go, and that's my point of view.